Alright everybody, welcome to Fallout 3. This is gonna be really fun. I'm a guy in a creepy hobo hood. Me and Dog meet here and Sharon wherever he went. Hey buddy. Taters. We're gonna do a new thing I think I'm gonna try. Where we're gonna, just like run around and kill people. Except for Megaton, because I basically killed everybody in there, and that's my place now. So, alright, let's do this. It's fun. So, don't expect me to survive just anything or know what's happening all the time, because I don't really play this that much. Stupid Robo-Brain.
Let's go sunning, it's so good for you. Let's go sunning, leave the sky a blue, greet the sun, everyone.
Okay. Just your sword, so and like I said, we're just gonna go around killing people. Just show people what Fallout 3 is like. Kinda harder than Fallout New Vegas. I'm probably gonna make another video about Fallout New Vegas, because I like making videos. I just now started doing that, but I'm already into it, and I just started. What? So yeah, I'm sorry for the wobbly camera. My stupid sister cannot hold a camera straight for more than 5 seconds.
Not true.
That was the sound of me slapping her in the side of the head.
Poop.
With my hand. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna be really fun to watch if you like blood and gore. Well, not so much gore, but more like blood everywhere. And don't blame me if it gets boring, because it's not that easy to go picking fights. It's kind of easy to run into fights, but not go picking fights. So there's already a fight somewhere. Oh, look at that! Isn't that nifty? They're hanging dead people up. I want to be a raider when I grow up too. So yeah, like I said, sorry for the wobbly camera. I think I might just go find someone, I might just screw this somewhere. Out in the middle of nowhere, basically. Let's see here. There's some Translation and Fort Constantine. Pay attention to what you're doing with that camera.
I know.
Alien Homing Beacon, Indie Pale, something crap. Scrapyard, Regular HQ, Robot Repair Center, Antagonizer's Lair. So like I said, we're gonna go basically, well, not like I said, but we're gonna go into basically a place that with people full of, that looks like hideous zombies. It's just gonna be fun. So yeah, here we are. They're creepy people that are kind of scary, stupid looking. If you're easily scared, they're probably scary looking to you, because you're probably a puss, but loading. Yeah, so
They're ghouls.
shut up, Emma. Delete your Xbox profile. A dinosaur. Okay. Let's do this. Like I said. It's good. Try to keep it like that. Like I said. It's gonna be pretty bloody. Yep, better him than you. Ear. I'ma take your ear when I kill you. I'ma kill all of you and take all of your ears. Come on, kill them all, guys. Kill them all. Swish. Hey. Heyo, buddy. buddy. Winthrop, I'm sorry, buddy, but I'm only in it for the money. No! You died and you're still yelling. I'm gonna take all your stuff in your ears. Because I'm an ear collecting person. Tulip.
You came back. Do you need something?
I'm a hideous zombie.
Take a look. It all works.
It all works, but is it good? Or quality work? Probably tastes like... Probably doesn't even work. You know what? You look like you need the bullets. I already have like 1,000 of those bullets anyway. EC pack, I need those. Plasma fuel, he needs those. Shotgun shells. Jesus Christ, lady.
Another satisfied.
But not satisfied customer. I'm gonna take all your garbage, and he's gonna shoot you in the face. Sledgehammer. Cram. Whatever cram is, it must be good. Ooh, beer! Stupid safe. Is there a terminal I can open that with? Cool. Oh, that's boring. Pencils. I'm gonna take all your pencils and then stab you murderously with them. Combat armor. Hey, I already have some, but hey, fragmentation grenades. Can never get too many of them. Okay. Few more minutes, Emma. Few more minutes, so you can take a break. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna be bloody and gory. Though that was just like the first part, so you probably want to see more blood and gore, right? Shut up, Emma. I'm gonna make episodes, Emma, if you could hold the camera right.
Okay.
Hey, crazy lady. You look like a hideous zombie. Shoot him. Get him, dog. Get him. You want some of this? Stupid drinks. Clearing out underworld, taking people's ears. Clearing out underworld, taking people's ears.
That's always fun.
Alright, guys, this concludes. No, this doesn't conclude crap. Let's go to the ninth circle and chop up some people really quick, and that's just what we're going to do. Emma, can you hold the camera
I am.
correctly at least? I mean, come on. Shut up, I need to get my bloody gore weapons out. Patchwork? What kind of name is that?
Ah! Jesus Christ!
Jesus Christ.
Why, yeah. Yeah. Really?
Chop you to pieces. Chop you to pieces. Yeah, that's how you chop them. Cut them up, cut them up, cut them up. They have guns. They have guns. The zombies have guns. Oh my god, my arm. Yeah. More. Well, that's about concludes it for this video. Hopefully I can make another one sometime today, if she'll hold